Lamium album is also known as the white dead nettle. It halts bleeding, it treats cuts, burns and wounds. It was used as a cure for diarrhea, to treat kidney and bladder problems, and to relieve painful menstruation. The Lamium album is a flowering plant, and it's commonly known as the white dead nettle. It belongs to the Lamiaceae family. It's found throughout Asia and Europe, and it's found in various habitats, from open grassland to woodland, generally on moist, fertile soils. It has a similar appearance to the stinging nettle. The plant has a high content of tannins, and it's effective for dressing injuries, burns and cuts, with its astringent and anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, a herbal tea brewed from this nettle is considered to be a remedy for diarrhea. In England, it was reputed for its efficacy to cure scrofula. Physician Pliny, an ancient Roman naturalist, mentioned the white dead nettle in the 1st century AD as a traditional medication that was blended with axle grease. It's a herbaceous perennial plant, and it grows up to 3 feet tall, with green, 4-angled stems like many other members of the Lamiaceae family. The flowers are white, with a lobed bottom lip and a hooded top lip. They evolved like this to attract pollinating bees, which use the lower lip as a landing pad. The plant is said to smell so unpleasant that it will deter snakes from the surrounding area. John Gerard, 1545 to 1612, wrote the flowers were often baked in sugar. Children were known to have sucked the flowers for their nectar. Herbalists use a decoction of this plant primarily to stop internal hemorrhages, but they also prescribed it for some female ailments and use it in the treatment of some forms of tuberculosis. It was also used externally to treat gout, sciatica, and muscular pains, and for healing burns, bruises, and wounds. It's used in herbal medicine. The flowering plant is rich in tannins, and these act as an astringent, and they're anti-inflammatory, and they're used as dressings for cuts, wounds, and burns. When brewed as a tea, it was used to halt internal bleeding. It was also used to cure diarrhea. It helps to lower excessive menstrual flow. It was used as a cure for abdominal vaginal discharge, and it provides relief from painful periods. An infusion is used to treat bladder and kidney problems, diarrhea, prostatitis, and bleeding after childbirth. It's applied to varicose veins, piles, and vaginal discharges. The young leaves are cooked as a vegetable or added to salads. It was used as a chicken feed. Another name for the dead nettle was henbit. To learn more about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.